Chief Executive Member ka KHADC Upatitas Starwell Khan ulalu mi kejing yalang banekran hakabaidai ba kejing syaot kilo kimarrep. Badakani kejing yalang leron lang ki Executive Member jangka Council kinong kayi kinong yalam ka Hills Farmer Union usiem ke himam liam upa iam ainam menix iam bat kiwe-kiwe. Habayekran biginong pathai kubor Chief Executive Member uloong bagi lashim ekarai banaduk menta om dai bandon kenu-kenu kejing ot kilo hayaudo. Badai ban bu renti eko hukum balapan mi dek himam liam naduk kesnem arajar kat kendai. Bayi gimar rap bawarra di kinong rap bandi hayaudo ne hakinu kinu kiyo bahap hakimam liam om dai ban lek kum ni. Uloong baladadon pat kinong rap ke badang pediang ya kejing ot kilo kata kan syong hi haki mereka council kan om kit kli kinu kinong rap ke bah pediang ya kene kejing ot kilo. Uba titas Starwell Khan uloong baka council kan penmiru ya notification ke balong kum gajo ke hukum jong hima meliam. Bat kane kan trekam habarok kiyo ki badan hopo uput usam jong ke district council. Kanang bakan om don syuk kejing ot kilo hai kenu kiyo. Uli tho bakan don ru ke special committee ke ban kli do CEM rengkat ki EM ke Hills Farmer Union kinong kayi bat ki kli nong sensyar banekran ni kejing e jogi nong rap hakaleng ki district. Bat ka council kan wanra e ka second amendment bill kabaidai bat ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Establishment Management and Control of Market. Hagaba antap gi kendon ban mana teng e ya kejing ot kilo ya ki marrep.
Ba ngikwa ban pentip sya ki pait ba. Bana kaliang ka council mdei bang isu hala tang ya kani ka kam kejing e jo ki nong rep tang kumni kembak ya kendu jing e. Ma teng ban su hala ka suk. Ban su he tang am ka suk. Rengi perkat nak kau. Berkata kalong kani ke isi kalau hanra ia kawai ke bill, ia kawai ke act, ke bengiong, ke amendment bill, ke badai ia ke Khasi Hills Autonomous District Establishment Management and Control of Market. Kani ke second amendment ke bengilawan ra lengba kani ke act. Badha kani ke act kiladon kini ki clause Kiba ngila mana teng e haka jinga dai bak ni ka ot kilo. Kila dan ki section ki barang insert ani bat ngin nang penbha su bat haka ju ka poru hadien bangila adep finalize kali ngin sai kendu ya state government ba kan penstet haka bangin yo no ya ka asen no gubernur. Bangan itu ipi sisin bakan ni ka ak ngila yo ban asen no gubernur kini ki jing e kiba ngia kendu nakapos kapor on salak ban yaram on salak ban stop tekata kadai ke ba ka sinjam ke ba kani ka executive committee kala shimkia halo ka jing e jong kinong rep ya kani ka second amendment nadu senam arajar aku we ngilawan rakhnang hadin bangilai kendu ikini jing e hadin bangilai ya kendu ikinong rep ya kendu ikiseng nong rep ngilai kendu ikinong kayi bana ta kadau ngisawara baik data ai pi ban syukran kasuk Rela dangim dan kaan menuban pentrekam kaan menuban enforce kinsu ong yu brio yu nong khayi wat 6 kilo re hatu ka don kaan ka bakhang ban 6 kilo kam dan tin re kani ka de kaan ka bangila shna na district council kumno ban khangla sendon ya kani ka 8 kilo dei ban pek tang ka jing e jong jing 8 kilo dei gini peru ya ka jing long jing man hapo yo we dei ba ka jing don kam le si ka ba naka council sa ka por ngi ju ai jing rap ya ka hima meliam kum no ban bahaya ka yo bat kum juru pet ya ka jing sna ya ka yo dilang ka bala sna na ka liang hima meliam bale si na ka liang council ngin sa pet ka ikalat ka lanti ka bangilapan ai ki jing rap bat kum juru na ka liang jong ka treat ya mi treat pet ba kum bangila le hakini ki kandiat sngi bala dep ba mdei bandon syu ki ba syong madan ki balong illegal ki ba khamtam ba ki bar jela bakin syong madan apo yo au put usam jong yo do umjuro na kaliang ilaka dekat ka trilang ban pej ki jing e ki balong salansar apo yo do.
Hello everyone, in this video we'll be discussing about uterine fibroid, uterine myomas, or what commonly we call uterine tumors. What are uterine tumors? Actually, these tumors are a growth or excessive growth of the uterine muscle. So they could be single or multiple in the uterus. But the question is, are all uterine fibroids causing female infertility? The answer is no. So if you get a report of ultrasonography showing a uterine fibroid in your uterus, don't get panic. Try to get a consultation with a fertility specialist to know is the tumor or the tumors affecting your fertility, and then have a discussion regarding the fertility enhancing surgery to get removed of these tumors. So in this video we are trying to discuss about the fertility enhancing surgery regarding uterine myomas. So how these uterine myomas affect your fertility? These tumors actually distort the path of natural conception. So during the process of fertilization, when the path is distorted, the implantation of pregnancy is hampered because of these tumors. So the chances of conception, and after conception the chances of miscarriages rate is increased. So in this procedure of laparoscopic myomectomy, we make a few pinholes in your abdomen, and through those pinholes we could remove a very large tumor or multiple tumors, cutting the fibroid into strips and removing them through the holes as strips of tissue. Now if you ask me the advantages of this procedure, so with this procedure we could discharge the patient in 24 hours as there is minimal or no blood loss. There are no stitches in your abdomen as we don't cut the abdomen, because with only the pinholes we are removing the tumor. Second, as the path of distortion, the path of fertility is cleared, so natural conception is possible within 3 to 6 months. Also, the rate of miscarriage is severely reduced after the surgery. As the blood loss is very minimal, so the symptoms of weakness or dizziness after the operation is very less. So if you want to know more about the laparoscopic myomectomy, you can surely contact us. We will try to help you. Thank you.